Wait, do we got another hairstyle? Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to take down my lovely BANTU. Let's hope that they turn out right, because my hair don't hold a curl worth nothing. I've done BANTU knots because I love them. I love the way they look. They are cute when I wear them. You know, I think it's cute. But yeah, so I'm going to take them down for you, or for us, because for myself too. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I just really, you know, you don't want to have, even though I'm not going anywhere, you don't want to have no raggedy hairstyle for your birthday, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking these down. I'm just using some vitamin E oil. That's it. I'm gonna use this oil because I don't feel like going through my my little hair bag to find my tea tree oil. I'm just lathering up my hands and, you know, trying to do what the YouTube gurus do when they do theirs, you know. Now my hands are all lathered up and my hair has a little bit on there. Now I kind of cheated and let this one come down some, and it's actually curled up here. So I will put a clip of how I did these, because I started doing them like at 1 o'clock in the morning and I didn't have my camera or my tripod up and ready. Wait a minute, y'all. Let's look at this. Look at that. Look at that curl, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna have to do one in the front, but look at the, y'all, this, I think this turned out. I think it turned out. But yeah, I started doing my hair around 1 o'clock in the morning. And you know, I wasn't prepared for that, so it just started happening out of nowhere, and I ended up with these BANTU knots. So yeah, I'm just gonna take them down for us. But yeah, the way these curls feel, they feel so real. Like, they are real, but you know, my 4C hair don't never want to do right when it comes to curls. I can't wait to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna keep taking it down. So yeah, let's talk about this birthday tomorrow. So I'm gonna be 31 tomorrow. Yay me. 31 tomorrow, and they just recently you know, opened up a lot of our locations here in Ohio. But I'm still not doing nothing. I don't trust it. No, Mr. Government or Governor, you're not gonna get me. So, but yeah, so I mean, normally I don't do anything if I'm not traveling. I don't do anything for my birthday anyways, because I'm a homebody in real life. Y'all, look at this. I got some curls. It might have turned out semi good, but then again, it might just wait. But look, it got body. So yeah, tomorrow's video, I am doing a video just showing you guys how I made my birthday outfit. And I don't know why I keep smacking my lips, because it's irritating me. But yeah, I made 2 outfits for myself, and I am just going to be showing you guys making those outfits, me making those outfits without a pattern, well, a real pattern. I'm going to use some clothes I already have to use those. I'm going to use those as my pattern. So yeah, you guys stay tuned, and I'm just gonna let the music play while I finish taking this down. All right. Okay. Now they got the flow and whatever, but no, that ain't it. That ain't it, y'all. That ain't it. But I still could rock this. Curls and come out as I planned. So I got my trusty dusty. I'm using the Cantu edge control for now. And then I got me some bobby pins. My little comb. You know, Cantu don't hold my hair long enough. But we about to just do a quick hairstyle, you know. Since this didn't turn out as planned. You want... Hold on. So y'all here. Something in the back. Y'all do. I want something in the front. But see, that's cute right there. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swoop this on up here. Put me some stuff over here. If that could be there, that's cute. You know, that's cute. I'm not into all that, what y'all call baby hair. Because that's my edges that y'all calling baby hair. I have edges, not baby hair. Yeah, everybody can't do it. So, I'm gonna get this on over here and pin it up. Okay, so I pin that up. I want this to come on down. Yeah. Should I pin this side up too? Let me think. What am I gonna wear? Do y'all do y'all hair according to y'all outfit? Oh, I like that. Oh, you said you can't see it. Do y'all do y'all hair according to y'all outfit? Let me think. What am I wearing? Because I made 2 outfits. I'm not going anywhere, so yeah. Let's see. I got that pinned up. Let's pin this part up too. Pin that up here. We'll kind of make it like a. Lay this side down. See, ever since I got the nose ring, this side want to act all cute. You ain't even all that, you know? Yes, you are. I'm sorry, hair. Okay. I should have left it alone. And a little weird hairstyle that people don't like. I should have just left it in that. But I could leave it in this instead. Bring it down some. It's about to make me comb it all the way out. This is what it's about to do. But these, I mean, the curls,
I still have some curls. Yeah. No, I don't like that. Oh, yeah, my hair is messed up now.
so. Just mess up. I gotta figure something out. What am I gonna do with this now? I just messed my hair up. See, it's a good thing that I did do something. I did do those Bantu knots and took them down today because what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, what is this, y'all? Not only is it ugly, it makes my hair look super short. I'm not bald-headed, I promise. Embrace your natural 4C hair. Embrace your natural 4C hair. Love on it. I tried to, and it just disrespected me. Oh, wait. Do we got another hairstyle? Oh, yes. One of my outfits. That would go. That would go with one of my outfits. Okay. Okay. I need to have this out. Put this up. Okay. Let's get some jam or edge control. Jam is a whole different jam. So if I can get a scrunchie, go ahead and put this up in a ponytail. See, I got edges, so I'm not bald head. I don't consider my edges to be baby hairs because they're not. Okay, I'm back. Got my little scrunchie. And voila. What y'all think? I like it. You like it? It fits me. It's definitely gonna look cute with one of my little outfits that I'm gonna have on. But thank you guys for watching. You guys stay tuned because I want you guys to see the outfits that I made for myself. Yeah, I just want you guys to see it for my birthday. So just come over tomorrow and watch tomorrow's video because I'm a scaredy cat and I'm not gonna go live. I'm just not. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna go live because I'm just not. So I'm gonna make a video for tomorrow, and you guys just stay tuned, subscribe, stay with me. And if you like watching me fail at doing my hair, I mean, it's very moisturized, that I will say. If you like watching me fail and you know some tricks that I can do to my hair, put those in the comment section. Put those in the comment section. Let me know. I got one more solution or one more thing to try. Again, last time I tried it, it worked really well on my hair. But once the product comes, I'm going to do another video. I'm going to do a video on that. And then I'm going to show you guys that. And see if I could do the Bantu knots again with that product. Because I know my twist outs be the bomb with that product. So you guys just stay tuned. And I'm going to put a video of me washing my hair with the Cantu hair products. Go watch that one too. You guys just stay tuned. Just stay with your girl. Just stay with your girl. Just stay with your girl. Oh, stay with me. But no, y'all. What y'all think about this hairstyle? Y'all like it? It was a true fail, but you know, it turned out to be something in his life. Okay. Okay. Peace like hair grease. Until next time.